The Magnetic Seal DoorMag is the ideal solution for sealing gaps between the floor and the door. It saves energy and keeps rodents out. Start by thoroughly cleaning and degreasing the surface and determining the correct length. If the door is made of wood or aluminium, you must first apply an adapter band to both the inside and outside of the door to enable magnetic attachment. Then simply cut the magnetic seal to size and install it along the bottom of the door. The inside of the DoorMag contains an inlay that prevents rodents from gnawing through the seal.